Have you ever woken up with shaky, weak legs, even though you slept the whole night, ate well the evening before, and followed your bedtime routine perfectly? That feeling like your body didn't recover overnight, especially in the legs, is something many people over 60 are quietly struggling with. And what surprised me most is, there's a straightforward solution. No supplements, no gym, no need to overhaul your entire lifestyle. By adding one specific food before bedtime, many older adults have shared that they wake up with less leg fatigue, a steadier step, and significantly reduced knee pain. And in today's video, I'm not only going to reveal what that food is, but also show you the perfect time to take it, how to combine it properly, and the common mistakes that can cut its benefits in half. But before I reveal what the food is, we need to understand, why does the body lose muscle, even while you sleep? What exactly is happening to your legs during the night? The answer is coming up next. Part Uno. A common problem, a familiar story. After turning 60, many people find themselves in a puzzling situation. They eat well, go to bed on time, even take a multivitamin every morning. And yet, the body still grows weaker with each passing day. Have you noticed that you've started walking more slowly in the morning? Losing balance the moment you step out of bed? Or sometimes your knees ache or your calves feel sore, even though you didn't exert yourself the day before? One story I'll never forget is about Linda, 68 years old, living in Oregon. She shared with me, "I eat clean, do gentle yoga every afternoon, and go to bed on time. But every morning, it feels like my legs aren't even mine. I must hold onto the wall just to leave the bedroom." She went to the doctor, got all the tests done, but nothing serious showed up. And then, her doctor said something that left her both confused and stunned. "Linda, the issue isn't what you're eating. It's when you eat and how your body absorbs things once it ages." That one sentence marked the beginning of a whole new journey, not one of looking for medicine, but learning how the body recovers during sleep. Because did you know, even while you're asleep, if you don't support your body the right way, you could be losing muscle. And this happens every single night, without you even realizing it. In the next section, I'll explain the science behind why sleep meant to help you recover can make you weaker, and more importantly, how to reverse it starting tonight. Part number 2, why does muscle weaken during sleep? We often think that sleep is simply a time for the body to rest and relax. But the truth is that deep sleep is when your body works the hardest to repair muscle tissue, regenerate cells, and fix the microscopic damage throughout the day. However, after the age of 60, this process begins to slow down significantly. And that's why you can sleep 8 hours but still wake up feeling weak, with sore legs or aching knees. Here are 3 scientific reasons that explain this. Decreased growth hormone, GH. GH is the hormone responsible for stimulating muscle and bone regeneration. After 60, GH levels can drop by as much as 70% compared to younger adults, slowing down the body's ability to repair muscle tissue. Reduced protein synthesis. Muscles are maintained through the body's ability to synthesize protein overnight. However, according to a study from Maastricht University, Netherlands, older adults experience nearly 50% slower protein synthesis at night unless they receive nutritional support before bed. Dehydration and lack of amino acids. While you sleep, your body loses water through breathing and sweating. If you've already consumed too little water or protein during the day, your body lacks the building blocks to rebuild muscle tissue. And the result? The next morning, you wake up with loose, shaky muscles, weak legs, and slower movements. So, can you support your body's recovery properly during sleep? The answer is yes. And it comes from a natural food that has helped thousands of older adults wake up with noticeably stronger, more stable legs after just one night. Let's discover it in the next section. Part number 3, the miracle food that strengthens your legs overnight, collagen peptides. And now, we've arrived at the part you've been waiting for. After just one night, the food that can help strengthen your legs is collagen peptides. What is collagen? It's a type of protein that makes up 30% of the total protein in your body, especially concentrated in tendons, which connect muscles to bones, joint cartilage, reduce friction during movement, ligaments, and leg muscles. But after age 60, your body's natural collagen production drops significantly. The result? Knees that ache when standing up, legs that tremble when walking, a feeling of fatigue even after light walking. So what's the solution? Collagen peptides, also known as hydrolyzed collagen. This collagen has been broken down into tiny molecules so the body can quickly absorb it. The advantages: easily dissolves in water, tea, or plant-based milk. No smell, no unpleasant taste, when taken before sleep to help regenerate muscle and tendon tissue while in your deepest rest state. Imagine this, while snoring peacefully, collagen is like a team of tiny leg repair workers quietly doing their job so you can walk stronger and steadier the next morning. So, when is the golden time to take collagen? And what should you mix it with to maximize the benefits? Let's discover that in the next section. You'll be surprised how minor changes in your evening routine can lead to noticeable results within days. Part number 4. When to take it, how much, and with what. Now that you know collagen peptides can help strengthen your legs while you sleep, to unlock their full potential, you must take them at the right time, in the right way, and at the right dosage. So, when is the best time to take collagen? 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime is the golden window. This is when your body prepares to enter deep sleep, allowing collagen to be absorbed and start working alongside your body's natural repair process. Recommended dosage: 5 to 10 grams each night, equivalent to about 1 heaping teaspoon. If you're just starting, try 5 grams first and gradually increase. Simple yet effective ways to mix it. Mix with warm water, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, for easy dissolving, or combine with chamomile tea for relaxation, or use unsweetened plant-based milk to promote sleep without interfering with absorption. Common mistakes people make and what you should avoid: mixing with cow's milk. Dairy is high in calcium and some saturated fats to which may reduce collagen absorption. Taking it on a full stomach or too late at night. After 10:30 p.m., your body will be busy digesting, or may not have time to metabolize the collagen before deep sleep fully. Using cold water reduces solubility and can lower absorption efficiency. Pro tip: make drinking collagen part of your evening relaxation routine, like reading a book, turning off your phone early, and keeping your environment quiet. So, once you've taken collagen properly, what exactly happens inside your body during the next 12 hours? The answer will make you realize that a good night's sleep may be more potent than any supplement. Let's uncover the details in the next section. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Part number 5. The 12-hour recovery mechanism. So, what exactly happens after you drink a glass of collagen peptides before going to bed? During deep sleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body enters its most powerful recovery phase. By this time, the collagen peptides have been absorbed into your bloodstream, and they begin their journey of repair and regeneration. Specifically, collagen will rebuild tendons and ligaments around the knees and ankles, helping you walk more steadily. Reduce mild inflammation in the joints, too often the reason behind dull aches when waking up. Provide essential amino acids to support muscle recovery, reducing leg fatigue and numbness. And after just 12 hours by the next morning, many people have reported noticeable improvements. No more feeling wobbly when stepping out of bed, less knee pain when standing up, a sense of stability and strength in their legs. Quick evidence: a 2021 study from Kyoto University, Japan, found that older adults who took collagen peptides consistently for 12 weeks saw up to a 22% improvement in leg strength, with reduced knee pain and significantly better walking stability. And this isn't just about numbers. It's about the quality of life you experience every morning when you open your eyes. So, who should start using this method today? In the next section, I'll share exactly who can benefit most from taking collagen peptides, and why the longer you wait, the harder it becomes for your body to recover fully. Part number 6. Who should start today? If you're over 60 and each morning you wake up feeling stiff knees, needing to rotate your legs for a few minutes before you can walk, tired legs even though you didn't do much the night before, difficulty climbing stairs, sometimes needing to hold the railing or stop halfway, then these are signs your body is gradually losing its natural ability to recover. You're not alone. Millions of older adults are experiencing the same thing every single day. But here's the good news. You don't have to live with this slow decline. And you don't need complicated medications or expensive gym memberships either. The key lies in one simple principle. Support your body at the right time with natural, easily absorbed nutrients when it needs it most. And collagen peptides are one of the best choices. They're not a drug, they don't cause dependency, and they're not a replacement for real meals. Instead, collagen is a functional food, and if taken at the right time, in the right way, it becomes a silent helper that helps you keep your legs strong. With that, you can preserve your independence and active lifestyle after 60. Of course, you might still have some questions. For example, does collagen cause heat or inflammation in the body? Can people with diabetes take it? How long does it take to see results? In the next section, I'll answer the most frequently asked questions so you can feel confident starting your journey to recovery, beginning today. Part number 7, frequently asked questions, answered. I know that by this point, many of you might have a few questions before getting started. So let me answer them quickly and clearly so you can feel confident moving forward. Does collagen peptide cause heat or overheating in the body? No, not if you take the correct dose of 5 to 10 grams per night. Many people confuse it with regular collagen, which is harder to absorb and more likely to cause a heating effect. Collagen peptides, on the other hand, are lighter, calmer, and much easier to digest. Can people with diabetes take it? Yes. Just make sure to choose an unsweetened type, free from artificial flavors. The ideal choice is pure collagen, with a clean, simple ingredient list. Should I take additional vitamin C? Absolutely. Vitamin C acts as a trigger that activates collagen synthesis in the body. You can squeeze a slice of fresh lemon into your collagen water or have a small piece of kiwi, strawberry, or orange after taking it. Can I replace it with bone broth? Yes, but keep in mind, it's hard to control the exact amount of collagen. It may contain animal fats or high sodium, not suitable for those with high blood pressure or gout. That's why collagen peptides remain safer, more convenient, and more consistent, especially if you plan to use them daily. And if you're ready to begin, I'll now walk you through a super simple nightly routine that anyone can do at home. Just 15 minutes each evening, you could feel a real difference in just a few days. Let's explore that in the next section. Part number 8, a suggested routine for beginners. If you're wondering, where do I start without making it complicated? Then here's an evening routine I've put together. Simple, easy to follow, and doesn't take much time. A 4-step routine for beginners. Number 1, eat a proper dinner before 7:30 p.m. Focus on light, protein-rich, easy-to-digest foods such as steamed fish, boiled eggs, soft tofu. Avoid greasy foods, fatty red meats, or refined carbs like white rice and bread. Neo. 9 p.m. Drink collagen peptides. Mix 1 scoop, 5 to 10 grams, into warm water. Add a slice of fresh lemon or a few drops of orange juice to enhance absorption. Sip slowly. Take deep breaths. Think of it as your muscle relaxation time. Number 3, 9:30 p.m. Turn off your phone and start unwinding your mind. You can listen to soft music, read a book, or soak your feet in warm water. Avoid watching the news, scrolling through your phone, or exposure to bright lights. Sleep before 10:30 p.m. This is the golden window when recovery hormones work at their best. After just 3 days, you may notice it's easier to get up in the morning with steadier legs, less lingering joint pain and reduced calf muscle fatigue, and most importantly, more profound sleep with fewer nighttime awakenings. Remember, small changes done consistently at the right time can create significant results. But to make your results sustainable, you must keep the right mindset. And in the final part, I'll summarize the most important takeaways, share a personal reflection, and lead you into a topic that many people are quietly concerned about: the early signs of dementia. Part number 9, a gentle reminder. Collagen is not a magic pill. Before we wrap up today's video, I want to emphasize one very important point. Collagen peptides are not a miracle cure. This isn't some magical solution that transforms your body overnight. While many people feel a difference within the first few days, achieving lasting results requires patience and the right combination of habits. Here are 3 essential factors that must go hand in hand with collagen if you truly want to restore leg strength and health after 60. Number 1, get enough quality sleep. It's not just about how long you sleep, but how deeply you rest. This is what determines your body's ability to repair muscle tissue. Avoid staying late and reduce exposure to blue light after 9 p.m. Move your body gently every day. You don't need intense workouts, just 15 minutes of walking, light stretching, or simple balance exercises are enough to stimulate collagen to work more effectively. Number 3, stay well hydrated throughout the day. Collagen needs a hydrated environment to be absorbed properly. If you often experience dry mouth, infrequent urination, or tension headaches, those are signs that your body isn't getting enough water. Collagen is a key, but the door only opens if you commit to turning that key daily. And if you genuinely care about your health after 60, choose the realistic, sustainable, and proactive path, not quick fixes. In the final part, I'll help you recap today's most valuable takeaways and guide you toward another critical topic that many are quietly struggling with: cognitive decline and the early signs of dementia. As you can see, just 1 glass of collagen peptides before bed, if taken correctly and at the right time, it can help you recover muscle, relieve leg pain, and feel a noticeable difference in 12 hours. And the best part? You don't need medication. You don't need to spend money on a gym. All it takes is one small change in your evening routine. So, have you ever tried taking collagen before? After watching today's video, what will be your first step? Will you choose your collagen? Change your bedtime? Or add some vitamin C? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone's thoughts and will personally reply to each one. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because just one small change could make your legs stronger and more flexible daily. And if you've been noticing signs of forgetfulness, brain fog, or have a loved one going through it, don't miss the following video. 10 Early signs of dementia you should never ignore. Silent but critical warning signs to help you detect cognitive decline as early as possible.